Hi everyone, welcome to another edition of Carol's Corner. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite paleo gluten-free noodle dishes. It's really simple to make. It is from scratch. I used to love noodles, but when I changed over last year to the paleo program, I had to remove grains from my diet and from my menu. So you will be surprised at how we make noodles today. We all want to come home after a hard day's work or school and have a nice, fresh, home-cooked meal. But it's not always practical because our lives are so hectic day to day. So with these meals, the paleo program and the meals I will be sharing with you from episode to episode are meals that can be made in under 45 minutes to 30 minutes. Meals you can prepare in the slow cooker and leave them while you're away for the day. And when you come home, you'll come home to a nice hot meal ready to eat for you and your family. So today I'll share with you the ingredients. They're really simple to make. Half the battle is your prep time. With paleo cooking, it's more about your prep, preparing all your fresh vegetables, chopping them, putting them in airtight sealed plastic containers overnight. What I would suggest is you start off planning a week's worth of meals, chopping up all those vegetables with those various recipes and refrigerating them. Then when you're ready to start cooking, they're already prepared and prepped and you can get started. That cuts half your time. So let's get started. Let me show you some of the ingredients we have here. For today's video, here are my ingredients. First off, I just have a simple roasted chicken, basil, salt and pepper, garlic, olive oil, chicken broth, and the shredded chicken, a half of lemon, and 4 or 5 cloves of garlic, my butternut squash and zucchini, fresh parsley, and carrots. So I'm going to wash my zucchini, all my vegetables, and what I want to do is I want to shred the skin. You can do the noodles with or without the skin. I just prefer today to just use the skin, to shred the skin and just have the bare zucchinis. Okay, we're cleaning everything off and we're preparing it for the Vegemite, which is a little handheld, simple pasta maker. I picked it up at Bed Bath & Beyond and it's awesome. Very affordable, simple. They have various sizes as well. So you can use either the top or the bottom half for smaller spaghetti sized noodles or larger linguine or fettuccine almost sized noodles. So I'm using a little of both. I like to try the texture of the larger as well as the medium sized noodles. Voila! Here are the finished noodles. They're beautiful. Work of art. Light, airy, fluffy. They're going to be delicious. We're just going to put a little seasoning with the little chicken stock, just for a little flavor. And we're going to saute it just for a few minutes. Next, I'm taking my carrot. I'm going to remove the outer skin. And we're going to use the carrots as an adornment and make ribbon-like pieces that I will scatter into the bowl, as you will see. Carrots are so tasty and delicious just by themselves, and they have a lot of beta carotene, a lot of nutrients and vitamins as well. So you have your zucchini, you have your squash, you have your carrots, the garlic. All of those components help to add flavor without over salting your food. So this is your finished ribbon-like carrots and our noodles. So we're going to take the noodles over to saute. We have our chicken sauteing. I'm dropping in the pasta, the zucchini noodles, and we're just going to, saute them, and I'm going to put a little drop or two of chicken stock on there just to add a little more flavor and tenderness to the noodle without overcooking and cooking out all the vitamin and nutrients from the vegetables. We tend to do that sometimes with broccoli, over boiling them when you only need to undercook them 1 to 3 minutes. So you keep the crispness and you keep the vitamins and nutrients in. I'm starting my pesto sauce, which consists of the basil, the lemon juice, and olive oil. So I'm just blending it up a little bit. You may need to add a little more olive oil. I usually use a 1/2 cup, but sometimes just to spread it, depending on how many people you're serving. You can use it to taste. So you can use a little bit more, maybe even a cup versus a 1/2 cup. I'm going to add also my chopped minced garlic. Get that whipped up really well and finish that. Look at those noodles. They're ready to go. They look so tasty, tender. Just removing little extra little nodules. I'm going to just keep the fine noodles, not any extra irregular pieces. So we're ready to go and prepare to serve. So now I'm just going to place my noodles in my bowl. I love presentation. I think it's an art. It's beautiful, and most importantly, it's tasty. Here are our carrots. Here's our chicken and pesto sauce and pied resistant, the Parmesan cheese. Voila! That's a work of art. Enjoy. I think you and your family will enjoy this tasty, nutritious meal. And don't forget to please subscribe today. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.